So we're going to Chowking over there. So eat. Let's go. So I'm taking a video for my papa because let's go. And I don't know. Just watch the video where we are going to. Going over there. So this is my mother and my two little brothers. So let's go. Passing by. We're going to C3 to eat. We arrived. So we're going over here, but I don't know where we're going, but Mama said maybe he's going into the bank. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, she's going to the bank to get money. So we're here in the Chowking and Mama